Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything, where we create, inspire, and grow.
Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm working on a few projects, starting with this coffee table. It is a nice solid oak coffee table. I painted it all white. And then I didn't show you the ending, but it took 2 coats. This is another coffee table with a glass top. I did sand it down a little bit because it was a little rough on top. And then I go in and do a couple coats of black. This is what it looks like. And then I work on this other piece, and then the black that I'm using is this Rust-Oleum Ultra cover. And then start getting my workbench ready, prepping it. I'm taping off the sides because I will be spray painting the drawers, and I'm using a gold for the drawers. And I did like the way this final look, how it came out. It brought it back to life and it didn't look so plain, but yeah, that's how it looks. And then as that was drying, I wanted to paint the cork board, so I painted with the same black. And then it took 2 coats of black, and I feel like it came out really nice. I hope your guys' year is going well. We are in February, so we are, well, mid-February, almost 3 months in, but I hope everyone's year is going good so far. Then right here I'm just removing the paint, and then I spray the hooks that I'm going to be using gold as well. So gold is the accent color. But yeah, I really like the way it came out. Probably should have painted the top of the table, but I wasn't really too worried about it because I do a lot of crafting on it and it's not a big deal. But yeah, I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.